Which of the following is not a characteristic of a plane mirror? Answer: C. Inverted image. A plane mirror forms a virtual, erect, and laterally inverted image of the same size as the object. Which type of mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles? Answer: C. Convex mirror. Convex mirrors give a wider field of view and always form a virtual, erect, and diminished image. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. This is stated in Answer: B. Law of reflection. The law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. A concave mirror forms a real image when the object is placed at Answer: C. Beyond the focus. A concave mirror forms a real and inverted image when the object is beyond the focus. The image formed by a convex mirror is always Answer: B. Virtual and erect. Convex mirrors always form a virtual, erect, and diminished image irrespective of the object position. If an object is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, the image will be formed. Answer: B. At infinity. When an object is placed at the focus of a concave mirror, the reflected rays become parallel and meet at infinity. Which of the following is an application of a concave mirror? Answer: B. Solar concentrators. Concave mirrors focus sunlight at a single point, making them useful in solar concentrators. If an object is placed at the center of curvature of a concave mirror, the image will be Answer: B. Real and inverted of the same size. At the center of curvature, a concave mirror forms a real, inverted, and same-sized image. Which type of mirror is used in torchlights and car headlights? Answer: B. Concave mirror. Concave mirrors focus light to form a parallel beam, which is essential for torches and headlights. Refraction of light occurs because of Answer: C. Both A and B. Refraction occurs due to the change in the speed and wavelength of light when it travels from one medium to another. A ray of light passing through the optical center of a convex lens. Answer: B. Passes undeviated. A ray passing through the optical center of a lens travels in a straight line without bending. A convex lens is also known as Answer: B. Converging lens. A convex lens converges parallel rays of light to a single point, hence it is called a converging lens. The unit of refractive index is Answer: B. No unit. The refractive index is a ratio of speeds and has no unit. The bending of light when it enters from air to glass is due to Answer: B. Refraction. Light bends when it moves from one medium to another due to the change in speed. A convex lens always forms a virtual image when the object is placed. Answer: B. Between the focus and lens. A convex lens forms a virtual, erect, and magnified image when the object is placed between the focus and lens. Which lens is used to correct myopia, short-sightedness? Answer: B. Concave lens. A concave lens diverges light rays before they reach the retina, correcting myopia. Which lens is used as a magnifying glass? Answer: B. Convex lens. A convex lens converges light rays and magnifies the image when the object is placed close to the lens. When a ray of light enters a denser medium from a rarer medium, it bends. Answer: B. Towards the normal. Light slows down in a denser medium, causing it to bend towards the normal. The speed of light is maximum in Answer: D. Vacuum. Light travels fastest in a vacuum with a speed of 3 times 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. If the refractive index of glass is 1.5 and that of water is 1.33, then light will bend more in Answer: B. Glass. The higher the refractive index, the more the bending. Since the refractive index of glass is higher than water, light bends more in glass. When light travels from water to air, it bends. Answer: B. Away from the normal. When light moves from a denser to a rarer medium, it speeds up and bends away from the normal. The ratio of the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in a medium is called Answer: C. Refractive index. The refractive index N equals C, V, where C is the speed of light in vacuum, and V is the speed of light in the medium. When white light passes through a prism, it splits into different colors due to Answer: C. Dispersion. Dispersion occurs because different colors of light refract at different angles. A person who is unable to see distant objects clearly is suffering from Answer: A. Myopia. Myopia, short-sightedness, occurs when distant objects appear blurry due to the elongation of the eyeball. A person suffering from hypermetropia is unable to see Answer: A. Near objects clearly. Hypermetropia, long-sightedness, occurs when the eyeball is too short, causing difficulty in seeing nearby objects. A concave lens always forms an image that is Answer: A. Virtual and erect. A concave lens always forms a virtual, erect, and diminished image. Which lens is used in a microscope? Answer. A convex lens. A convex lens is used in microscopes to magnify small objects. The magnification of a plane mirror is. Answer. B plus 1. The image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size as the object. The SI unit of the power of a lens is. Answer. B. Diopter. The power of a lens is measured in diopters, D. Which mirror is used in shaving mirrors? Answer. C. Concave mirror. A concave mirror forms a magnified image when the object is close, making it useful for shaving. A fish in a pond appears to be at a shallower depth due to. Answer. B. Refraction. Light bends when it moves from water to air, making the fish appear closer. Total internal reflection occurs when. Answer. C. Both A and B. Total internal reflection happens when light moves from a denser medium to a rarer one at an angle greater than the critical angle. Why do optical fibers work on the principle of total internal reflection? Answer. C. Both A and B. Optical fibers use total internal reflection to efficiently transmit light signals without loss. Which device uses a convex lens for magnification? Answer. D. All of the above. Convex lenses are used in all these devices to focus light and magnify objects. Which of the following is not a characteristic of an image formed by a plane mirror? Answer. B. Inverted. The image in a plane mirror is virtual, upright, same size, and laterally inverted, but not inverted. A concave mirror always forms a real and inverted image, except when the object is placed. Answer. C. Between the focus and the mirror. When an object is placed between the focus and the concave mirror, the image is virtual, erect, and magnified. A convex mirror always forms an image that is. Answer. A. Virtual, erect, and diminished. A convex mirror always forms a virtual, erect, and diminished image, irrespective of the object position. The reason behind the twinkling of stars is. Answer. B. Refraction. Light from stars refracts due to the changing density of the Earth's atmosphere, causing the twinkling effect. A lens with a power of -2.5 D is. Answer. B. Concave lens. A negative power indicates a concave lens. Which phenomenon makes the bottom of a swimming pool appear shallower than it really is? Answer. B. Refraction. When light travels from water to air, it bends away from the normal, making the pool bottom appear raised. The critical angle of a medium is the angle of incidence for which the angle of refraction is. Answer. D. 90 degrees. The critical angle is the angle at which the refracted ray emerges along the boundary, making the refraction angle 90 degrees. When light enters from air into a glass slab, which of the following does not change? Answer. B. Frequency. The frequency of light remains the same in all media, while speed, wavelength, and direction may change. The lens used to correct myopia, short-sightedness, is. Answer. B. Concave lens. Myopia is corrected using a concave lens, which diverges the light rays before they reach the eye. A magnifying glass is an example of. Answer. B. Convex lens. A convex lens is used as a magnifying glass to enlarge images. Which type of lens is used in a camera? Answer. B. Convex lens. A convex lens is used in cameras to focus light and form real, inverted images. An object is placed at 2f in front of a convex lens. The image formed will be. Answer. B. Real, inverted, same size. When an object is placed at 2f of a convex lens, the image is real, inverted, and same size. Which mirror is used in street lights? Answer. A convex mirror. Convex mirrors are used in street lights as they spread light over a larger area. The image formed by a convex mirror is always. Answer. A. Virtual, erect, and diminished. A convex mirror always forms a virtual, erect, and diminished image. Which lens is used in the human eye? Answer. B. Convex lens. The human eye contains a convex lens, which focuses light onto the retina. A real and inverted image is always formed by a convex lens, except when the object is placed. Answer. C. Between F and O. When an object is placed between F and O, optical center, the convex lens forms a virtual, erect, and magnified image. Which type of lens is used in a magnifying glass? Answer. A convex lens. Convex lenses are used in magnifying glasses to produce enlarged, virtual images.